In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reconcile transactions between a customer who is also a supplier in Xero's accounting software. Whether you're a seasoned accountant or a small business owner managing your books, this straightforward process will help you keep your financial records in order with ease. First things first, begin by logging into your Xero account and navigating to your dashboard. The dashboard serves as your command center, offering an overview of your business's financial health. From here, we can dive into the reconciliation process. Now, look for the menu at the top of the screen and hover over the Accounting tab. This is where you'll find various tasks related to managing your accounts. But for today, we're focused on bank reconciliation. So go ahead and click on Bank Reconciliation to get started. Once you've entered the bank reconciliation interface, your task is to locate the specific transaction that involves a customer who also acts as a supplier. It's crucial to accurately identify this transaction to ensure that your reconciliation is seamless and correct. In Xero, you'll find that transactions are listed neatly, making it easier to pinpoint the one you need. After finding the correct transaction, you'll want to click on Find and Match. This feature is particularly useful for matching your bank transactions with invoices or bills you need to reconcile. Clicking on Find and Match will open up a pop-up window. Here, the goal is to find both the bill and invoice related to this contact. To make this more manageable, check the Show Spent Items checkbox. By doing this, you'll reveal all outstanding bills that have yet to be reconciled. This step is crucial as it ensures you're looking at all necessary documents to make an informed match during this process. Next, with the window open and spent items visible, carefully select the specific bill and sales invoice that you need to offset. It's important to ensure that you're choosing the correct items, so take a moment to verify the amounts and details. This accuracy will ensure that when you proceed to reconcile, everything aligns perfectly, preventing discrepancies in your accounting records. Once you've confirmed your selections and are satisfied with your choices, it's time to finalize the reconciliation. Depending on the version or update of Xero, you might see a button that says Reconcile, or simply OK. Whichever appears, go ahead and click that button to complete the reconciliation. At this point, Xero will process the match, updating your records accordingly. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully reconciled transactions for a customer and supplier in one go. Remember, maintaining accurate financial records is vital for your business's health, and Xero makes the reconciliation process both efficient and easy to manage. Thanks for watching, and be sure to tune in for more tips on mastering your accounting tasks in Xero.